Today we're at Baldwin Hills Scenic Overlook, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the hike. Baldwin Hills Scenic Overlook is just south of downtown Culver City, California, and may be best known for its stairs. The view from the top provides a unique perspective of Los Angeles that extends from Santa Monica Bay, Hollywood Hills, downtown Los Angeles, and beyond to the San Gabriel Mountains. If you choose to hike up the stairs, you will gain approximately 300 feet in elevation gain in 0.2 miles, which makes for quite a workout. The views from the top of this hike are amazing and are definitely worth the effort. Be sure to stay to the end of the video for free parking tips, and if you're enjoying the video, hit that like and subscribe button. Along with the views at the top, there is also a native plant garden, auditorium, rentable space, and also a nice visitor center providing information about the area. If you don't have time for the hike or are physically unable to do it, you can park up here. Now to get down, you can either hike down the stairs or do what I do. So what I normally do is hike up the stairs and then walk down the switchbacks to give your knees a break. To hike the switchbacks on the way down, go past the visitor center and follow the trail along the road. Then take the fork on the right. This trail crisscrosses the stairs a bunch of times. The park is open from 8 a.m. to sunset every day and does not allow dogs. My pro tip is to park just east of the trailhead. That's where 2-hour free parking is. Otherwise, you have to pay a meter. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And if you want to read the full write-up on this hike, go to activetours.com.